What's it like for you?
Coming through to see a student.
Yeah, just a few years ago. What's it like for you?
Coming through to see a student. Celebrating out.
Just a very nice morning. So onto that advice if you aren't happy.
Oh dear. Hey, you can't see around the corner on motorbike. What the hell are you doing up against the line and then going to make a turn? Have you not heard of self-preservation? Oh, about. What are you doing? I'm going to need all that road, turn right. What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? You've drawn right up now. You thick bastard. You can't even get out of your fucking car now. Twatted. Oh, fuck me. Wow. You want to come back in, Dent Transport? I'll flash you in. I'm just watching this one. I'm driving quite aggressive. It's a Peugeot KK19 XAN. It's really aggressive. Hey up! What the fucking hell are you playing at? Hey up! What? Oh. I don't know what this fucking idiot's going to do. Let me pull out. Because I just don't want to be behind him when he makes a sudden move. He obviously wants to come in because he wants to turn off or he wants the services. There you go. Really aggressive driving, no need for that. Jesus. everybody in a bit of a rush. There's a right hand bend, there's a car coming. Just watching this guy behind me because he's just done a risky overtake of the heavy traffic behind us. There's a junction to the right here. But don't overtake on the junction, you fucking imbecile! Right across a fucking junction, you knobhead! You absolute piece of crap! Right across the junction. Fucking lights on. Stop fire a second, just hang fire a second. Why haven't you got any headlights on? You've got no lower lights on whatsoever, mate. Have you? You pulled out early, you've no lower lights on. Have you not done your daily check or what? Wow, mate. I'm a bit disappointed. Where's your... Have you got your... No, I can't, mate. Of course you get Andy, come to it. Surely not. No. That's doing the way to go. So, that's two of them. Thinking they can go a lot faster, so I should be able to now go flat out and not be held up by them. But a bit disappointed with that one, there's no headlights on. In fact, it doesn't have any lower side lights either up the front. It's also got a tail light out on the trailer. I'm just wondering if he's done his daily checks this morning and how long he's been running without any lower front marker lights or even headlights. Everybody else has got working lights. We've got a tractor coming up. We're going to have to get out here. Go on, pal. Here we are, another typical example here, look. We've got a trailer, tractor, oh my god, tractor's got lights and trailer doesn't have any lights. You fucking moron. You should do it. Should. Don't come into this lane. Hey up! What the fuck was that? The fucking hell with that, you fucking twat. You just come up the fucking right hand lane. You fucking twatted. MSD, A22, MSD. What a fucking twatting move with a 44 ton Arctic? Eh? That was fucking brainless. Just because you think you're a big lorry, you need to be queue jumping. Oh my God almighty. A22 MSD. I wonder what firm that is. I didn't just take a lot of notice. It's fucking twatting right now. Oh my God. That was fucking... What a twatting trick that. Because he was up the right hand lane. You can't turn fucking left off the right hand lane. Oh my God, he's just stuck right hand indicator on and pulled straight out in front of those two cars, right? There was a natural gap behind those two cars, but no. I think I'll overtake now, indicate, pulls out, right in front of him. And he's already now, look, got a queue of 3 cars. But look at the gap behind. If he'd have waited a couple of seconds, he'd had a completely free lane to overtake. This is what I'm talking about selfish lorry drivers. You know? You really do give us a bad name. There was no need for that. A couple of seconds is all you had to wait until your lane was clear. But no, you can't look back and check. La-di-da-di-da, I'm going straight, oh, I'm right behind something. Indicate, out. No, that's not how it's done. A22 MSD. You are a fucking moron. Okay, oh, somebody's overtaking here. This is one of Adam's. I think Adam's go a little bit faster than everybody else. It's a bit like the Volkswagens. You know? Well, you don't actually have to slow up for them because I'm doing my maximum now. In fact, as we run down here, I'm on 56 miles an hour. I don't want to slow up because ST's right behind me. If I slow up, he's going to come and try and get by me then. Because obviously I'll have slowed him up. Adams. Thought so. I couldn't even see who it were, but I guessed right. I mean, that's a 71 really. And yet, you know, they can still pass me with these. Now, I didn't even ease off for that one. But like I say, ST transport behind. He's just keeping a safe distance. If I slow up, I'm going to shut that distance up to him. Or Mr. Adams can go a lot faster, you see. I have noticed with Mr. Adams, it just, I mean, they do it all the time, so it makes it look a bit obvious for him. I'm going to let this come, so I think this might be another Adams. Steaming down here. Is it? Yes, another Adams steaming down, look here. We're in the 40 now, and I'm doing 48. We're just going to try and keep a gap to the one in front here. There's not a lot of point in me trying to overtake, really, because we're turning off in about 2 miles. He's rubbing his eyes. I think he put indicator on because I think he was going to fucking wrong, what's it there? Go on, pal. don't know why he put indicator on. I think he missed what's it at the turn. Unless he thought he was going to the garage. I don't know. He changed his mind. Let's see if he does. He does. So what? Alright then. I don't know then. I've got a gap behind, so if someone's coming out that slip road, I can accommodate them. But for a JCB, it needs to be out. That JCB is supposed to have flashing beacon on its roof. You're travelling on a fast road, where's your beacon, boy? You need your beacons on. Has he put a beacon on? I'll bet you he hasn't got a beacon that works. You're not supposed to travel on here without a working beacon. It's a fast road and you're travelling along with a JCB. It looks like someone's been over there. From opposite side even.
It's on my